Hello students, today we will learn about algebraic expression of class 8. You deal with the chapter 6, exercise 6a. Okay. Now, before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you that we have learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in our earlier class, that is class 7. Okay. You till know that how to add two like term, how to subtract two like term, how to multiply two like term and how to divide two like term. Okay. In this class or in this video we will learn about in a huge manner. ठीक है, यानी कि हम लोग इस चैप्टर में, इस वीडियो में कुछ उसको बड़े अंतर पे हम लोग सीखेंगे. Now here is a question for you. Addition. You have to add 8ab minus 5ab, 3ab and minus ab. Okay. Now before adding these terms, I would like to tell you that you have to put bracket in this term. Okay, आपको इसमें bracket put करना होगा. कैसे आइए देखते हैं. Suppose 8ab, I have written here 8ab in the form of bracket 8ab, and again I have put here plus sign and with bracket minus 5ab. Okay, and again you have to put plus sign. Why you have to put plus sign? Because you are adding these terms. Okay, again put 3ab in bracket, put plus sign and again minus ab in bracket. Okay, now after simplifying you have to open the bracket. In the first step you have to open the whole bracket. Now 8ab plus minus minus 5ab plus 3ab and plus minus minus ab. Now you can see that your bracket has been put out. ठीक है ना, bracket आपका हट गया है. Minus plus minus. Okay. Now you have to add these terms. So students, can you identify that these terms are all like terms? Because here is AB, here is AB, here is AB and also here is AB. Okay. यहाँ भी AB है, यहाँ भी AB है, यहाँ भी AB है और यहाँ भी AB है. ठीक है ना. तो सब में अगर AB, AB, AB है तो these all are like terms. Okay. Now just add these terms. आपको just इसको add कर देना है या simplify कर देना है. ठीक उसी तरीके से जैसे आप क्लास 6 में, क्लास 4 में, क्लास 3 में, यहाँ तक क्लास 2 में इस तरह से आप लोग ऐड करते हैं. Let's take an example. Suppose you have to add 1 plus 5. Then you will get 6. Okay. Now if I have a question, students, please add 3 and 4. Then what will you do? क्या कीजिएगा आप लोग? 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay. Now this is a number and this is a number. If you add these two numbers then you will get a number. ठीक है ना. अगर आप दो नंबर को जोड़ेंगे तो आपको एक नंबर ही मिलेगा. ठीक है ना. ये हम लोग क्लास 1 2 में पढ़ चुके हैं. Now I am taking example कि here is a tree and plus here is also a tree. Then what will you get? You will get say 2 tree. Okay. दो पेड़ यहाँ पे है, दोनों को जोड़े तो यहाँ पे हमको 2 पेड़ मिला. तो ठीक उसी तरह से अगर यहाँ पे 1 plus 5, if I put here a and here is also a, then 1a plus 5a you will get 6a. Okay. Now here if you will put x, 3x, here also put 4x, then 3x plus 4x equal to 7x. Okay. Now come to the point. 8ab plus 3ab, 8ab plus 3ab, then you will get 8 plus 3. How will you get 8 plus 3 when you add 8 plus 3? 11ab. Okay. And if you simplify minus 5ab with minus ab, minus 5ab with minus ab, then you will get minus 6ab. Okay. Now the question just become very simple. Question बहुत ही आसान बन चुका है. If you subtract 6ab from 11ab, अगर आप 6ab को 11ab से माइनस करेंगे then you will get 5ab, and this is your answer. So students, you just seen that the questions that is given here 8ab minus 5ab 3ab minus ab we have solved in a very quick and very simple manner. ठीक है ना, बहुत ही आसान और बहुत ही जल्दी हम लोग इस चीज को बना दिए हैं. तो here I am giving some other questions. I hope you will do at your home and show me through your WhatsApp. Okay. Now the question is I am rubbing this. The question is subtract 3a square b minus 3a square b from minus 5a square b. Now the question here you have to subtract 3a square b from minus 5a square b. आपको 3a square b को घटाना है minus 5a square b से. Okay, then you have to put minus 5a square b before. पहले रखना पड़ेगा आपको इसको, उसके बाद 3a square b, then after 3a square b. Just an example, if I ask a question, students, what will you get when you subtract 10 from 18? मैं आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप 10 को 18 से घटाइएगा तो कितना पाइएगा. मैं हिंदी में आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर आप 10 को 18 से घटाइएगा तो कितना पाइएगा. आप बोलेंगे सब लोग 8 पाएंगे, क्योंकि अगर 10 को हम घटाते हैं 18 से तो हमें कितना मिलेगा, 8 ही मिलेगा ना. The same question is here. What will you get when you subtract 3a square b from minus 5a square b? अगर आप 3a square b को minus 5a square b से घटाइएगा तो आप क्या पाइएगा. Then just put minus 5a square b here and put the minus sign and you have to subtract 3a square b. 3a square b. Students often do mistakes here. यहाँ पे अक्सर लोग गलती करते हैं. क्या करते हैं, पहले इसको लिख देते हैं, इसको लिखते हैं. ठीक है ना, ये गलत है. That is wrong. ठीक है ना. यहाँ देखिए, if you subtract 10 from 18, अगर आपको 10 को 18 से घटाना है, then you have to put 18 before 10. आपको 18 को पहले 10 के पहले रखना होगा. ठीक है ना. Then you will get 18 minus 10, 8. The same question is here. If you have to subtract 3 square b from minus 5 square b, then you have to put minus 5 square b before 3 square b. Okay. Then what will you get? Minus 5 minus 5 minus 3. Okay. And a square b, both are like terms. Okay. Then what will you get when you subtract minus 5 square b minus 3 square b? क्या मिलेगा आपको? minus 5 पहले से उधार था, minus 3 फिर से उधार हो गया, टोटल कितना उधार हो गया? minus 8 और a square b. This is your answer. So I am posting two types of questions. First addition and second subtraction. Okay. You have to practice and practice and practice in your copy, in your notebook, and show me through your WhatsApp. Okay. Now here is the second question for you. Add 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz, comma 6by minus 11ax minus cz and 10cz minus 2ax minus 3by. Then you have to add these three terms. If you notice, then you will find here is one term, here second term, and here is the third term. यहाँ पे 3 टर्म दिया गया है. इन तीनों टर्म को आपस में आपको ऐड करना है. ओके. The question is very simple. How can it become simple? कैसे सिंपल बन भी सकता है? Then let us see. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं. At first you have to write all these three terms in bracket and put the addition sign or plus sign. How? Let us see. 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz. You have to put these terms in bracket. ठीक है ना, ब्रैकेट आपको रखना है. Then remove comma and add the plus sign because we have to add here. हमको यहाँ पे ऐड करना है ना. Then again write 6by minus 11ax minus cz and put this term into bracket, ठीक है ना, ब्रैकेट में रखना है and again put the plus sign, write 10cz minus 2ax minus 3y and put in bracket. Okay, then the question looks simple, ठीक है ना, क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फर्स्ट सिंपल दिख रहा है हमें. अब क्या करना है, remove the bracket, remove the whole bracket. How? 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz plus 6by plus minus minus 11ax plus minus minus cz again plus, okay, plus 10cz plus minus minus 2x again plus minus minus 3by. Now the next step, how will you solve the next step? कैसे solve कीजिएगा आप लोग? Just arrange the like terms in one place. Okay, how? Let us see. चलिए देखते हैं. Here 6ax finds ax, and ax. Okay, now write down 6ax minus 11ax 2x. Okay, all like terms are together, ठीक है ना, सभी like terms साथ में हैं. Again by and by, तो minus 2by plus 6by and minus 3by. The remaining are cz, जो बच गया वो cz and cz, 3cz minus cz plus 10cz. Okay, now solve. These are one terms, these are one terms, and these are one terms, and these all are like terms. Okay, this is like terms, ये like term है और ये like term है. Now solve. 6 minus 11, how you get 6 minus 11, कितना पाइएगा आप लोग? -5. Okay, -5 minus 2, -5 minus 2 कितना होता है? -5 minus 2 -7. Okay, then minus 7ax again. -2 plus 6, -2 plus 6 you will get +4, and +4 minus 3 you will get -1. Okay, then -1 and put ax here. Oh sorry, by here. Now come to this point, last में आइए. 3 minus 1, कुछ नहीं, अब तक क्या है? Nothing here, then there is 1, ठीक है ना. 3 minus 1 2, and 2 plus 10 12. Okay, and you have to put 12 and write cz here, and this is your answer. Okay students, then so you can solve addition and subtraction, any types of question you will get, you can solve very easily by doing just follow the simple steps, step by step, ठीक है ना. स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व कीजिएगा तो आप क्वेश्चन को बहुत ही आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आई होप you understand all the topic, you have to clear all your doubts, ठीक है ना. सभी आपके डाउट क्लियर हो चुके होंगे. तो मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप बुक को देखिए, मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन को पोस्ट कर दूंगा वीडियो के माध्यम से, आप वीडियो को देखिए. आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा, अच्छा लगा होगा, ठीक है ना. तो मिलते हैं फिर हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जहाँ पे हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन पढ़ेंगे और डिवीजन पढ़ेंगे. एंड these two topics are very important for you. Okay, ये टॉपिक, दोनों टॉपिक आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, खास करके डिवीजन. You have to learn some new techniques, some new basic concept about division of algebraic expression. Okay students, तो मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए घर में रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और खुश रहिए. ओके, थैंक यू.